We have healthy shame, and then we have toxic shame. Healthy shame is not bad. Shame serves a purpose. Like all emotions, all feelings serve a purpose. They're designed to keep us safe, to let us know when we need help, etc. So, toxic shame. Yeah, these are great answers that you're giving. So, healthy shame is not bad. We have good enough parents. A good enough parent is someone who's going to provide unconditional love, unconditional acceptance, who's going to be predictable, who's going to make us feel safe and secure. We're going to learn to develop a state of trust. Most people don't have good enough parents because everyone has their own trauma, and most people have issues. So when shame is important is between 15 months to 3 years. Until about 15 months, the baby can't tell the difference between themselves and the outside world. Once we start to move around, to be able to, walk, we start to separate ourselves from the outside world, from our parents. And in this age range, healthy shame is going to enable us to separate gradually. It's going to stop us from, running off in the supermarket. It's going to stop us from doing things that could cause us harm. So healthy shame can also enable us to function as adults, to function in society, can let us know when we've transgressed someone else's boundaries or when we need help. So healthy shame, as I said, if we have good enough parents who are predictable, who make us feel safe and secure, we learn to develop a state of trust. Healthy shame keeps us safe.
Mark has helped thousands of people to overcome issues such as anxiety, trauma, chronic pain, and addiction. If you'd like to discover how Mark can help you too, visit anxietyhypnotherapist.org at the link below to schedule your free 20-minute call.